Oh yeah. The Hoover Dam. We're at the Hoover Dam with Mum and Pa at the Hoover Dam.
A little bit groggy, but we have
We nearly died.
we nearly died. We've had COVID. I think I don't know when we got it, but we've been feeling grotty since we arrived.
I think we got it on the plane.
In Vegas, so we haven't really been out doing much.
But we are today.
But we are today.
So we're negative this morning.
So I'm going to put my glasses on. Sorry. So we've met a few people since we've been in Vegas. Some really nice people, and there's a lady that we've met at a store that we went to get some bits for the house, and she's been lovely, hasn't she?
She's been great.
And she's told us all about Duck Creek, she's told us all about Side by Side, she's told us all about the great trails out and about in the surrounds of Vegas. And today we're going to Pahrump, because she said about the mountain road, and she said there's something about, it's a famous loop. You take the Red Rock Loop, Red Rock Loop round, and it's the Blue Diamond Pass, so we're going to go over the Blue Diamond Mountains. So we thought, as we're not feeling very well, we'll just stay in the car, stay away from people, and yeah, just get out and get a little bit of fresh air, because it's not very nice being cooped up in the house.
No.
So yeah, COVID for the second time. We had it in November 21, I think. We've been feeling all right. It's just felt like a bit of a heavy cold, yeah. So.
Have you had COVID?
Do you have COVID? But anyway, we've never been straight on here, have we?
No.
So this is going to be a real nice day today. So we're just going from the house on this straight road. Normally we go down and head towards the 215, but today we're going straight on and we're going to do the Red Rock Loop. So really exciting day.
If it's nice enough, I might pop the old drone up.
Thought you were going to say something else. Yeah, so hopefully, anyway, we'll show you Pahrump when we get there. I like the name.
There's a racetrack there.
There's a racetrack on the way to Pahrump, yeah. It's
Can I go on a flashing red?
I don't know.
They're all flashing red.
Yeah, we're gonna go. If we get pulled over,
Can you
we
see
get
over
pulled
here?
over.
I don't suppose you can see on the camera.
Maybe that's the strip down there. But there's all this building works going on, so there's loads of building work going up around here. So it's all the beautiful mountains.
Can tell them about the side by side.
Yeah, so I said about side by side.
Oh, hang on, this is saying go straight on.
Go over that way.
There is no straight on.
That way.
Oh.
Just.
They're all red.
There's a car there though.
Yeah, but they're all red. Oh, do not enter.
Oh. Oh no. So literally we've just, this is the edge of the Summerlin developments up here, but look. You could be out in the middle of nowhere.
We are in the middle of nowhere.
Well,
look, can you see snow? Look through there, that valley.
Yeah.
There's a really bright white one.
But just the colours of the rocks, it's just stunning. So then we've got 14 miles of this. We're going to go up through, this is the Blue Mountain
Ridge
range.
Mountains of Virginia.
No, it's the blue, I don't know, we'll have to have a look. My brain's
Blue
not
Diamond.
working. Oh look, Red Rock Canyon. There's a sign, Red Rock Canyon. Conservation area. And you can see why it's called Red Rock Canyon, because of the red rocks, but look at the lines in them.
This is on our doorstep, baby.
Yeah. We could go cycling out here if we had some e-bikes.
If we had some bikes, yeah.
The mountains were called Blue Diamond Mountains, not the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. But that looks like an old town, so it's on the sat-nav, Blue Diamond. But yeah, it looks like a little town. So maybe it's an old mining town.
Old settlement, isn't it?
Yeah. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty cool.
So we've left Red Rock Canyon now.
And there's signs up saying do not feed the wild horses or burros. So I'm not sure if the horses are Mustangs, but we've been told there are like wild Mustangs out here, so it'd be amazing if we get to see something today. We'll keep our eyes peeled. So that mountain range ahead, where the snow, that's Mount Charleston. nothing special. But it's getting colder, 7.5 degrees now. It was 8.5. But we're going to be driving up.
It did say back there, warning, half a mile ahead of wild horses. So you never know, we might see some.
Hopefully.
Can you pet them?
They're wild Mustangs, so they'll run away from you.
Oh. Can I run after them?
I think, yeah, I don't know if he'll catch them. But I'll video it. It'll be funny.
Okay.
More snow.
Some more snow.
Some more snow.
Some more desert and some more cacti.
It's 5 degrees now, but the sun's shining on that, so, and it is quite high. Very pretty.
We're dropping down again now. They were at 4,900 feet. So that must have been the coldest point.
Yeah. Not seen any burros or horses yet.
Side by sides.
Or side by sides. We'll keep our eyes peeled. Keep them peeled. What was that on? Crime Stoppers?
Crime Watch.
Crime Watch. Keep them peeled. So, we're at the Hoover Dam for the 4th time. Is it 4th time? 5th time. It's a little bit chillier than normal.
Hosts.
We're normally here with Eagle Rider, so it's normally really hot. But yeah, we're going to throw the drone up and we'll give you a little bit of a walk around. The lake's actually a lot lower than it has ever been, so it might be a bit different. So we're at the top of the viewing platform. We've not actually gone down to the actual dam yet, so we'll show you that as well. So this is the Boulder Basin. There's a little cafe down there. You can go and have a drink. Chipmunks over here.
Where are we?
We're at the Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam. We're at the Hoover Dam with Mum and Pa at the Hoover Dam.
I'll tell you what, when you stand here, it doesn't look as big as I know.
That's a better view of it there.
Yeah. This is Mum. Mum's going for a wee. Go on, Mum. Enjoy yourself. That's Dad. He's wet himself.
I don't think the cafe's open.
Coffee and ice cream. Genius. There's your hands, Mum. You wet yourself on your hands.
Don't you get for that on there.
Yeah, that's going on there. That's going on YouTube. That is. Mum wet herself. She on her hands.
Stop it. We'll go down in the lift, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright, so welcome everyone. So we are currently standing in one of the 4 original diversion tunnels that was built for Hoover Dam's construction. And in case you guys are wondering exactly where we're at right now, this is our present location as we speak. The primary purpose for these tunnels was to divert the river around the main area, that way Hoover Dam could be built. Construction began in 1931, which involved drilling and blasting into the walls of Black Canyon, a process that took nearly 2 years to complete. Now the rocks that make up the canyon around us are andesite breccia. It's a volcanic conglomerate roughly around 13 million years in age. Now in that photo you do see the intake towers there. They were operating at that time, taking water in for power generation. However, there was so much water coming downstream, it was kind of putting a strain on the system. So just to kind of take the pressure off of everything and kind of keep the lake at a maintainable level, they utilize the spillways for a total of 63 straight days until those flood waters finally receded. Now going into power generation and how everything around here works, as I said, the water will go into the intake towers here in Nevada and Arizona, and then free fall down into 30-foot diameter pipes known as penstocks. If you guys look outside the window here to my right, you're going to find one of those penstocks right outside. Now, at full capacity, the amount of water that will pass beneath our feet is up to 96,000 gallons per second, which is actually enough water to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in under 7 seconds. As the water is traveling downstream here to my right, it's going to be diverted into smaller diameter penstocks and led to the Francis reaction turbines that are sitting at the base of the generators. The water will impact those turbines at a rate of 48 miles per hour, and that will then turn the turbine themselves, as well as everything attached to it, which includes the 65-foot shaft and the rotors that are in the main generator itself that helps to produce electricity at a rate of 180 RPMs. And with that, guys, our last thing I want to talk about is the generator themselves, at least one of them. It went online on September 11th of 1936, and when we get upstairs, I'll point out to you which generator that is. It was actually remotely activated by President Roosevelt himself in Washington, D.C. Now, before he could actually turn it on, they had to do one little thing first, and that is getting rid of the lower coffer dam. As the power plant was now coming online and water was going to pass through it, it had to have an access point to leave the area, so this little coffer dam couldn't remain. The easy, simple solution they came up with to get rid of it was basically packing it full of explosives and blowing it all apart, which is actually what they did. And in case you're wondering about the upper coffer dam, that still resides under Lake Mead today as we speak.
So this time we're at the west ring.
Rim.
Ring. We're at the rim of the Grand Canyon.